S1 Smartlock has various unlock methods. It is safe and convenient. You can unlock the lock easily with the light touch. Your smartphone is your key. If you don't have a smartphone, enter the password using capacitive touch mode. Then you can safely lock and unlock the door. You can even ask Alexa and Google Assistant to unlock your front door. When you leave, S1 will lock the door automatically. It's like your personal doorman. When the cleaner comes to clean the house, just send him or her a temporary electronic key with time window to access. The app will send you push notifications to tell you when the door opens. You can also access the lock opening records at any time. You can create a secure dynamic key for your friends or even Airbnb guests. When the strangers try to guess the door password, the screen will be disabled due to the wrong password guess. You'll receive an alert reminder through the app as well. There is a physical key for the lock in case you need. Wireless installation, simple and fast. S1 offers 3 different versions for different lock types for different doors worldwide. S1, redefining smart lock. It is safer and more convenient.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver. The Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US Deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind. Bosma, simply better.
Modern security means flexibility. The Ultraloq Lever 4-in-1 Smart Lock has features like advanced fingerprint identification, phoneless options for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like unlocking via smartphone or Apple Watch, an anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers, and auto lock, so your security can never be forgotten. The Ultraloq Lever is a modern, advanced smart lock for homes, offices, or Airbnbs. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, cleaners, or dog walkers, temporary access codes. Or secure individual rooms containing sensitive items. Set your Ultraloq Lever to passage mode when you need it to stay unlocked. And with the Ultraloq Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all, remotely on the app. Receive notifications with the lever is unlocked. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family, and the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. An easy installation and voice assist during programming make advanced security simple. Bridge IFTTT integration syncs your Ultraloq Lever with the rest of your smart home, and use voice commands with your Alexa or Google Home. With the Ultraloq Lever, you will never get locked out. Just use the backup keys or external battery if you miss the alerts. Ultraloq Lever, the ultimate 4-in-1 smart lock. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
In today's world, home security is paramount, and it starts at your front door. August lets you monitor and control your door safely and securely, starting with August Doorbell Cam Pro. August Doorbell Cam lets you see and speak to guests right from your phone.
Ryan!
Max?
Yes, I can see you.
A built-in floodlight and HD color video lets you see your guests day or night.
Hey, it's me.
Sometimes uninvited guests can pay a visit. Anytime motion is detected, a floodlight is triggered and an alert is sent to your phone. And if you miss an alert, don't worry. You can play back the full story later. With August, never sacrifice convenience for security. August Smartlock lets you and your friends securely lock and unlock the door using the August app. The more physical keys you have, the less secure your house is. Keys can be lost or stolen and then easily copied. August lets you easily create secure temporary keys for your friends, family, or people you trust right on the August app. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Activity Tracker lets you know who's coming or going 24/7, so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, you'll know your door is both closed and locked from anywhere. Never worry if you closed your door again. All August smart locks mount on the inside of your door, so the street view of your door stays the same. Our smart locks use bank-grade encryption for wireless communications, ensuring a secure lock. Make your front door more secure with August. August, the key to your smart home.